Okay, I want to do this one a little differently. The reason I want to do it differently is that, just to mix it up a little bit. One thing I noticed, right from the get-go, is that 2x over 3 and 3 over 2x are reciprocals. So I'm gonna say A is equal to 2x over 3. Now, by the way, this may not make it easier. It may make it worse. You should never do something that's worse, all right? What do I get over here? 1 over A. Let me put the next thing down. The next thing I notice, they're reciprocals. So I'm going to say B is equal to 3y over 2. So what do you get here? B equals 2. What comes over here? 1 over B equals 2. All right? Not a big deal, by the way. So someone says, what are you going to do about that? I don't like the fraction. So I'm going to get rid of it. I'll write this over here. A plus B is equal to 2. Then what do I get? I get A plus B. By the way, you may want what I'm doing. Multiplying both sides by AB. Now, certainly you get B plus A, but I just wrote down A plus B would equal 2AB. All right? This doesn't look bad to me. Right? Now, someone says, what do you mean it doesn't look bad to me? What do I know about this? A plus B is equal to 2. A plus B is equal to 2AB. So now I know 2 is equal to 2AB. Now, what does this say to me? 1 is equal to A times B. This is interesting to me. What is it really saying? It's saying 1 over B is identical to A. All right? So I'm going to put that down somewhere. So where are you going to put that down? Anywhere I like. Geez, I think I put it here. Let's write this down. So what do you get? A. Well, what's A? It's 1 over B. Let me write that down. 1 over B plus B is equal to 2. I'm going to multiply both sides by B. So you get 1 plus B squared equals 2B. Let's keep writing this down. What do you get? 0 equals B squared minus 2B plus 1. Let me factor that. What do you get? B, 1, 1, minus, minus. That doesn't look bad to me. Now someone says, what do you mean it doesn't look bad to me? It's a perfect square. So what's B? B must be 1. What's A? Look back up here. A must be 1. So now I know A and B is 1. So what do I got over here? Something really simple. I got this. I got 1 equals 2x over 3, and I've got 1 equals 3y over 2. Could you figure out x and y? I think so. What's x? X is going to be equal to 3 halves. And what's y? Y is going to be equal to 2/3. All right? Let's take a look at our key. I said x is 3 halves. Wow. And I said y is 2/3. Let's look at our picture. And I see a nice picture over here. What's the picture of? It's a picture of the graph of these two objects. Let me go back to this over here. This is a really simple line. And this over here, it's probably a hyperbola. It's been rotated. I have to go through the work. I haven't done the work. But that's not here or there at this point. But anyway, wow, I got a point. Now, by the way, because someone says, could you read that point from this over here? Let me get my ruler out. And I'm going to say it kind of looks dead center between 1 and 2. I would never testify that, though. And this over here, it looks about 2/3 up. So I'm going to say this is really in line with what we're seeing over here. Really in line with it, right? Nice picture, all right? Why is it a nice picture? Not because of any other reason except the machine was able to do that. And again, you can blow these pictures up, and they scale pretty nicely, by the way, all right? So I think I'm not saying it's a difficult problem. Now, I realize what somebody's going to say is that I want to do it a different way than you just did it. You can. There's nothing wrong with doing things differently. What's wrong is if you're doing things and you're not getting what we believe is a truthful answer. That would be wrong, by the way. Okay, my name is Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Thank you for paying attention.